On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Done. Amphib. Well, that's the block off plate for the cold air kit if you don't want the snorkel. To neoprene. Stainless steel clamps. It was a little pricey, but
there's an airbox adapter, I think.
Yeah, that's the Airbox 90. Oh yeah, that's
your opening for
great.
There.
Yeah.
Not sure what that's about.
I think that's a side block if you don't use the side for cold air. That's the top
There's
of the
your
snorkel.
ET head.
ET, yeah.
And that's your cowl.
Man, I don't know. I think that's a little restrictive there. We'll see how it works.
And then this is what goes
across the battery tray and the fuse panel tray. Yeah.
And that's it.
All right, let's get her done. So I got my inverter in there, which is gonna have to move. The nice thing about this is I'm not gonna have to cut my hood, you know. Yeah, and that's gonna bolt right up in there. And then you take this off, and hopefully my wires aren't like in the way. T40. Oh look, there's a drain. There, look at that. Wow, look at that. Longer ones up here. Yeah, it fits pretty good. Might be a little restriction there. I wonder if I got the heat gun and heated that up and pushed it down until it hits this.
Corner you're gonna push in?
Yeah, if I took the heat gun, heated that up, enough room for that, and just pushed that corner down, it would actually give it a little more CFM flow, because it does look a little bit restricted. A little bit. That worked. I think it made a pretty damn big difference.
Nice.
You see it? Got a little more room there. So apparently to get to the fuses you're going to have to pop this little extension off. It should be snapped in like the other old style. There. Oh yeah, see?
Yeah. Nice.
That should do it. Fit?
Oh yeah. There ain't nothing going through there. Look at that.
Yeah, we'll leave it just like that too. So in the directions it tells you to put a drain on the bottom of the air box. But basically they're telling you to do it
so you can point at it
where that pad is, like here. But if you look inside at the way when it sits, it tips backwards like that a little. So what good is it there? And you can't reach, once this air box is in, you can't reach that. So what good is it? So I put it inside so you can just pull it right off, let it drain if it ever gets to that point. I mean, you're gonna end up taking an air filter to look in there anyway, so it's better to drain it from here than to try to get your hand underneath it. So yeah, you gotta pull that other little cold air tube kit.
And went in like that.
And it goes in like that and it screws in right there.
Gotta pull the grill.
Gotta pull the grill. Forget there's a little grommet that goes in there. So all we need is that cross piece And I think we're done. And then I gotta figure out how to mount this. Probably like that. Use Velcro. Alright, after fighting with this, and they say soapy water, I use that. Put this on first. The clamps had to go there because it was digging in here. Made sure it was lined up so it didn't buckle it. And I ended up cutting almost an inch off of this tube after I pushed it up as far as I could on this one. And it's like, here's the end of it here, so it's plenty there, and like there's the end of it there. It just wouldn't push up here. So I think we're good. Now onto this. When I shut the hood, it starts hitting about right there. Does it say to remove the insulation there?
You can use this, which blanks off the top and takes from the side.
So that's just like a cold air kit.
And then you can flip your windshield down when you do that.
That's probably why they do that.
The other one, you need to make sure you have this rubber gasket that fits in here perfectly. Like that.
Huh.
And then it goes on top.
Well, that, yeah. Okay. Alright. So this sticky thing looks like it leaves a hole. So you're like, wait a minute, that's not going to seal anything. But I guess with this on there and that rubber piece on the side, and then that top piece,
This goes like that.
right,
and it seals
so it seals that hole. Alright, that makes sense. Makes sense. Just making show. And then that goes like that, and your ET head goes on there. So I'm glad I tested it, because when I pushed it in before, apparently that wasn't there. So let's see if it works now. Nope. It's worse. Before it would suck my hand. There you go. So it's coming from underneath. Yep, right there. Shut it off. So I use that cap style tape. Doesn't look as pretty, but hopefully it seals it. Let's try it. Way better. There's still like a little leak, but
Where's back?
Here?
It's probably because I didn't set this all the way in yet either.
Is it lifting it? That should be good. So that's what it looks like. Done. I think it looks pretty good. It's just about flush with the top of the Jeep. I might have to magic marker them white pieces of sealant foam tape. But I think it looks pretty good. And then I'll put this piece in the trunk just in case I ever want to flip the windshield, right? Am I right?
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.